One more time from the top.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, dun, 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 dun. Just wave it all around the tree.
Andrew, Alina, look at Daddy. Tell me what you're doing.
Ermine! Cheese?
Are you decorating the tree?
No.
No? You're helping Mommy put ornaments on the tree, just like good little elves?
Yeah, what's the house? What's the tree around house?
And your daddy can't get enough of that hat.
I like 772. I like 7. It is snowman ornament. It's quite full. Beautiful. Daddy, he makes you.
Yeah, that's cute. What is it? What do you see?
Toys.
What are they?
Animals.
Animals.
Toys. Toys.
Wow.
What's another place?
Right in your hands. Open that one.
That's a small one.
That's okay. You can still open it. Can Daddy see the fairy? Show Daddy. Wow.
That's your mommy? Yeah, look at Mom with the picture.
What did you get, Andrew? Is that the Hulk?
Wow.
The Hulk likes to play with fairies.
I'm open it.
The Diego baseball set? Oh, boy.
Baseball.
Wow, that's pretty nice.
It's nice. Beautiful.
Wow. This is your new Cinderella makeup kit? Oh,
Yeah.
my, that's
No,
pretty.
that's Sweet Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty. Can you look at Daddy? Smile.
Cheese.
Oh, that's so pretty. You're so pretty, Lena. Don't let anyone ever tell you you wear too much makeup. Because it's just bringing up. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.